I made this dice box back in 2019. It's inspired by the ones Wormwood makes. They're beautiful pieces, but they can be quite pricey. This box is crafted from scrap mahogany. I milled it down on the planer, and it features rabbet joints instead of mitered corners. It's seen better days, with a few dents and dings along the way. I picked up this can of Osmo for another project, and I thought it'd be perfect to finish this box. So today we're going to apply the finish and add a leather bottom to elevate its look and feel. First up, we'll resand the box to give it a fresh surface. I'll start with 120 grit to smooth things out, then move to 220 for a finer finish. Even though it's already been sanded, a fresh surface will help the finish adhere better. Once the sanding's done, it's time to get rid of the dust. A quick blast from the air compressor does the trick. Now let's open up the Osmo and get our first coat on. This will bring out the richness of the mahogany and protect it for years to come. I'll apply a nice, even coat of finish, making sure to cover all the surfaces. It might look a little glossy now, but once it dries, it'll have a beautiful, rich sheen. We'll let this coat dry thoroughly before applying any additional coats. Patience is key here. Letting it cure properly ensures the finish will be durable and look great. Next up, we'll add a leather bottom. It's going to make the dice box look even classier and give it a satisfying thud when you roll your dice. I'm cutting the leather to size and will glue it into place. It's a simple touch that makes a big difference. And here we have it, the finished box. With its rich mahogany finish and soft leather bottom, it's ready for countless rolls.